Hi everyone, I'm Ivan Felix and this is my game called Pillars. I made this game with the Unity engine and C#, and the objective of the game is like each player wants to reach a score of 5 taken pillars, and they will fight for taking those. So Kiara, could you please come with me? So 1 and KL.
Okay.
So you can jump. I'm taking this pillar. I don't want Kiara to take that one. What? Get up. I can put obstacles, and I got this one. Get up. That's totally mine. No. Oh,
Damn it.
oh!
Oh.
Oh, no! We're back to 0. So when the 3 pillars are full, like the UI go backs down, and like both players jump, so they are not in pillars anymore. Get out of it. So when one of the player reaches 5 points, I got a fade of 3 pillars coming in, so you get that. Whoop, those pillars, and player 1 wins. Yay! So I use assets from a designer called Kenny, aka Asset Jesus. And one of the challenges was first like doing the particles of the waterfall. I never done like my own particles before, so it was like really hard like making this and not having this like mess all over the level. And also it was challenge doing the shaders that make that like dissolve of the pillars when a player wins. So Unity just released this like shader creator called Shader Graph. So it was like really insane using this like simple noise and like mapping its brightness to the alpha values of the mesh of the 3D object that I wanted to change the texture of, and like how to control all those properties from code. And that was really fun. And also doing the 3 pillars UI, and I did this on Photoshop, and then the little mask on top of them, and that's basically it. That's my Stackathon.